How to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. Sometimes by default or when you have turned on the notifications on your lock screen of Android, then you will see the messages notification even on your lock screen from different applications including Telegram. So if you wish to maintain more privacy and then you want to switch it off or turn the Telegram's notification off and hide it on Android lock screen, then make sure to watch this video till the end so that by the end of the video you will know how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So it's quite simple and easy. Just open the Telegram app, or instead of that, you can directly open the settings app. You need to locate your settings app on your Android device and open it. Then select the apps option. Among this option, select app management option and search Telegram using the search bar at the top of the screen. Open it and this will let you access to the app info page of Telegram. Now select manage notifications. On this page, we have allowed notification as well as we have allowed it the notification details on lock screen. So if you wish to hide it, then you need to simply toggle on the button of hide notification details on lock screen. Now, even someone messages you and your Android is locked, then the Telegram notification won't be shown on the screen.